Apparently it's not just business yang dia buka lah, benda lain buka juga.
Yes lah.
Okay.
If you know, I know lah
One and Only Podcast Cerita lah, hosted by Andy.
From intern to become VP. You know how fast is that or not?
Yes, aku dengar.
It's very fast.
Is it within how long?
2 years is it?
2 years yeah.
2 years.
From intern to
VP.
wow.
Kau tahu dia punya, this is the viral kalau korang nampak kat Reddit, dah ada tunjuk salary. So salary yang Grace ni kan 200k per year, annual salary per year.
200k per year. So kira kalau
Kalau kau divide by 12, dah berapa?
5 digit juga lah.
So imagine from intern to become like that. It's very fast.
So siapa yang buat the naik very fast?
The answer is Melvin lah.
Oh damn.
Melvin.
Kau 2 tahun kau boleh naik gitu. Yang 30 tahun masih kat bawah.
Yeah, tu lah.
So dah raise suspicion ber.
Some more is the owner.
Yes,
The
correct.
owner should be the VP what?
Correct. Be VP or something closer
Or
to that
something
lah.
lah. Yeah.
So yang orang yang post gambar tu is actually work under that company before.
Oh so
So
ex-employee lah.
Dia kata dia pernah nampak Grace ni work as an intern. $800 dia bawa balik. So yang Grace ni dia influencer. Yes, I saw a couple of time dia punya video keluar dalam TikTok. So before this happen pernah nampak.
Okay.
Dia buka kedai, dia buka business, semua everything
Kau baca.
Apa?
Huh? What?
What?
Aku dengar something tadi.
Aku dengar something.
Aku dengar something. Apparently, senang kata, apparently it's not just business yang dia buka lah, benda lain buka juga.
Yes lah.
Okay.
If you know, I know lah If you know, I know lah